We made it ourselves. موږ دا پخپله جوړ کړو. We made it ourselves. We did it ourselves. موږ دا پخپله وکړو. We did it ourselves. We looked at ourselves. موږ خپل ځان ولیدو. We looked at ourselves. We can handle ourselves. موږ خپل ځان سنبالولی شو. We can handle ourselves. We trusted ourselves. موږ په خپل ځان باور وکړو. We trusted ourselves. We told ourselves the truth. موږ ځان ته رښتیا وویل. We told ourselves the truth. We encouraged ourselves. موږ ځان له حوصله ورکړه. We encouraged ourselves. We promised ourselves success. موږ د ځان سره د کامیابی لوز وکړو. We promised ourselves success. We should improve ourselves. موږ له پکار دی چې ځان بهتر کړو. We should improve ourselves. They are friends. هغوی ملګري دي. They are friends. یا تاسو ویلی شئ They are friends. دوی ملګري دي. They are happy. هغوی خوشحاله دي. They are happy. یا ویلی شئ They are happy. دوی خوشحاله دي. They are ready. هغوی تیار دي. They are ready. They are students. هغوی طالب علمان دي. They are students. They are busy. هغوی مصروف دي. They are busy. They are playing. هغوی لوبه کوي. They are playing. They are working. هغوی کار کوي. They are working. They are sleeping. هغوی اوده دي. They are sleeping. They are talking. هغوی خبرې کوي. They are talking. They are eating. هغوی خوراک کوي. They are eating. They live here. هغوی دلته اوسیږي. They live here. یا ویلی شئ They live here. هغوی دلته ژوند کوي. They love their parents. هغوی د خپل مور پلار سره مینه کوي. They love their parents. They go to school. هغوی مکتب ته ځي. They go to school. They help others. هغوی د خلکو مرسته کوي. مرسته کوي یعنی مدد کوي. They help others. They speak پښتو. هغوی پښتو وایي. They speak پښتو. They work hard. هغوی محنت کوي. They work hard. They laughed a lot. هغوی ډیر وخندل. They laughed a lot. They watched a movie. هغوی فلم وکتو. They watched a movie. They came early. هغوی وختي راغلل. They came early. They won the game. هغوی لوبه وګټله. They won the game. They are my neighbors. هغوی زما ګاونډیان دي. They are my neighbors. They are coming soon. هغوی زر راځي. They are coming soon. They know everything. هغوی ته د هر څه پته ده. They know everything. They can do it. هغوی دا کولی شي. They can do it. They don't like noise. هغوی شور نه خوښوي. They don't like noise. They will call you. هغوی به تا ته فون وکړي. They will call you. They want to help us. هغوی زموږ مدد کول غواړي. They want to help us. They told the truth. هغوی رښتیا وویل. They told the truth. د دې نورو ویډیوګانو نه ځان خبرولو دپاره د چینل PE Everyone سبسکرایب کړئ او د بیل د آیکن آل نوټیفیکیشن کلیک کړئ. نورې چې کومې ویډیوګانې راځي نو تاسو به ترې په وخت خبرېږئ. Thanks for watching.